Guys, it's me, Mia here. Welcome back to another channel, another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you this little thing. I got it from Dollar Tree, and it's like a little emoji that can scoot outside. You see? And it's cheap. It was like only $1. I love these things. Okay, and I also have this lip thing so I can keep the slime on it so it won't get on my table. So I'm gonna do it now. Okay. Oh my god. There's really enough in there. Hello, get out there. I can get it with my thumb. It literally sticks to the thing as well, but it's fine. I just have to get this little last piece out because I don't want this piece to dry up in there. I think that's all. See? But that's all. Only I see my fingerprints. Okay, so let me show you what the color of the slime is. Okay, so the color of the slime is like a pinkish, purplish color, and I have to say magenta, I think. Because like magenta, I think is like this color, like a lighter pink, I think, like close enough to this. But this is what it looks like. Looks just like a little pink booger. Like, oh hi Jimmy, I have a booger. Oh, I need a tissue. Oh shoot, no, I dropped it on my floor. Oh my god, I dropped it on my floor. No, there's a hair in it. Ew. Well, that was weird. So we are gonna be stretching it. Okay, and as you guys know, on my thing right here, on my thing right here, it has like little gems around. You see? I think you can't see because my hands are it's like that. It's like my camera's blurry, and you can get this from Dollar Trees, like cheap stuff from Dollar Tree. Oh my god, I jumped in my rug. Oh my god, guys. Hope I don't get in trouble by my mom and dad. But anyways, I'm gonna squirt it up with that bad face thing. Okay. Just wait for it. It's sucking it up. It only like sucked. I believe it didn't suck up anything. So let's try that again. Guys, this thing is super fun to play. It just literally sucks up it slowly, but it's like so satisfying at the same time. Come on. Oh my god. It's like, oh my god, so disgusting. Okay guys, I'm gonna pause the video for a second and then I'll meet you in a second. Alright guys, I got my LOL doll. And so she is Curious Cutie. No. Yeah, Curious Cutie. And so slime on my finger. Okay. Your little butt dimples. See them, it's blurry. Okay, so now I am gonna see, because you know how like owl dolls just literally random suck up water, you know, like liquid stuffy. Now I'm gonna try and see if she could, she drooled a little bit, but I'm gonna try and see if she could suck up this slime. It's just like water in it. I don't know why. But we're gonna try it. So right now, okay. So 3, 2, 1. Oh guys, it doesn't work. I was hoping it could work. Bummer. Bummer. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because I am going to see you guys next time. Goodbye. Peace.